Hello and welcome to this video where I'm going to be going over ChatGPT 4 for videos. So if you're wondering how you can use this for all your video efforts, whether it's YouTube or creating a video elsewhere, allow me to give you a very quick demonstration. In this, what I'm going to do is come up with an introduction and a hook. Then we're going to kind of create the middle where we talk about that specific tip that you're going to see down below. And then, of course, we'll end it with a conclusion. Very simple and straightforward script for YouTube or any other platform. So I have a video called The One Best Tip for New Expecting Parents. Create a hook and introduction that introduces what this tip is, but doesn't fully explain the details and the benefits. So something I've noticed with ChatGPT 4 is that you can be a little bit more specific and it's going to be good on those specifics. Let's see if it lives up to that, where it kind of talks about it but doesn't give too much information, because that's what's going to be the second prompt is for. Okay, let's hit enter, and it is going to take a little bit of some time. It is a little slower, but that's fine. So I'm going to cut this off and I will see you in about 1 or 2 seconds. Alright, so here we have it. We have our opening hook. Are you expecting a new bundle of joy and feeling overwhelmed by the mountains of parenting advice out there? Fear not, because we've got the ultimate tip that will transform your parenting journey. So here, that was the hook. Welcome to our video, the one best tip for new expecting parents. In today's fast-paced world, new parents are bombarded with info from all sides, making it difficult to sift through the noise and find what truly matters. But what if we told you that there's one incredible tip that stands above the rest, making all the difference in your parenthood experience? So I like this so far because, as we talked about, it's kind of like teasing it, or it's not really going into full details. So in this video, we'll unveil the life-changing secret that countless new parents have found to be the ultimate game changer. Not only will it ease your anxiety and make your days with your little ones smoother, but will also set the foundation for a strong parent-child bond that will last a lifetime. So grab a seat and join us as we reveal this life-altering tip, guaranteed to make your transition to parenthood a memorable and joy-filled adventure. So let's see. So it introduces it. I guess I could have been a little bit better. In my mind, I was thinking, let's just tell them what it is and then, don't fully explain it. But it says introducing it. It's kind of giving it the benefits. So I wouldn't say that was wrong there. So what we want to do is go to the second part. We're pretty much going to just tell what that amazing tip is and then explain it. So give me a second to write that prompt. And to give you some context, let's just, say, obviously we would know what the title is, which is going to be right there. This could just be, the middle of it. It doesn't have to be a very long video. Kind of like mine. I feel they don't need to be super long and drawn out as you get, across to the person who's looking to watch the video. So we have write a few paragraphs for this video script that tells the viewer what is this one best tip. So what is it? We got to tell them now, right? Okay. Now I want them to know, and then explains why it's such a great tip, why it's helpful, as well as many of the benefits. So whatever it's going to be, now here are the reasons why you need to follow this, why it's great, why, new parents need to utilize it, and so on and so forth. So let's click on the arrow or enter, and I will be back in a few seconds again. Okay. So we got some decent content here. And it actually does revealing why it's great, why it's helpful, the benefits, and there you have it. So this would actually make a pretty good, very quick video if you have just one tip, right? So, all right, let's dive right in. The number one tip for new expecting parents is establish a routine. Yes, you heard it right. Establishing a routine for both you and your baby might seem simple, but it's a powerful tool that provides numerous benefits, making it the cornerstone of effective parenting. You might be wondering why establishing a routine is such a game-changing tip. Well, routines provide a sense of predictability, consistency, and structure, which are crucial factors for both parents and babies. For new parents, routines can help you feel more in control and reduce the stress that comes with the unpredictability of caring for a newborn. For babies, routines help them feel secure and comfortable in their environment as they learn to adapt to the world around them. Okay, it talks about why it's helpful and then the benefits. I'm just going to kind of skim through. I will keep it here in case you want to read some of that. Improves communication as they start to recognize the pattern of events. They can communicate and so on and so forth. Strength bonding, better health, enhanced self-esteem. So there you have it. Establishing a routine is the ultimate tip for expecting parents. It talks about now go forth and conquer. But what I want to do is just do a conclusion. So you could always erase this, delete this, and then put something else in. So give me a second. I'm going to create a prompt. All right, so create a conclusion for this video script and reiterate some of the best benefits of this one tip. All right, so we have a new conclusion here. The one best tip for new expecting parents is to establish a routine, a seemingly simple yet profoundly impactful approach that will make a world of a difference in your parenting journey. By incorporating a consistent routine into your daily life, you'll create an environment that fosters security, health development, strong parent-child bonds. So some of the benefits: improve communication, strengthen bond, better health, and enhance self-esteem and independence, and of course, embrace the power of routine. And I will keep it there. I think you get the idea. You can always pause it and read it. But that was a good example of using ChatGPT 4 for video in case you wanted to utilize the script. Once you have the title, you can just roll with it. And the cool thing about it is that it was very specific in terms of what I was talking about. I think I could have been a little bit clearer because what I wanted didn't exactly come up as I wanted it, but I should have explained that better. So I should have put something like create a hook and introduction that introduces what the tip is. And it kind of did. It hinted at it, but it never actually told you, but it doesn't fully explain it. And it also didn't do that. So something I could put, but at the very last second, let the viewer know what the tip is. That will get them excited where we can start talking about it in the next paragraph. Something like that. Like I always say, the quality of the input is going to be related to the quality of the output. I just needed to change that a little bit, so that's on me. Anyway, I hope you got some value out of this video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below. My name is James. Thank you so much for watching as always, and I will see you in my next video.